Hi, this is Mentari Tutor video and you're watching Math Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to add money in dollars and in cents using some different strategies. I bought a box of cookies and a pack of sweets. How much money did I spend all together? What do we want to know? We want to find out the total amount of money that I spent. And if I want to find out the total amount of money, what operation am I going to use? I need to add. Therefore, $3.20 plus $1.55 will give us. Let's try it. When we want to add money, we add first the dollars. This is one way of doing it. Therefore, $3 and $1 will give us $4. What is step 2? Step 2 is adding the cents. We've got 20 cents and 55 cents. 20 cents and 55 cents will give us 75 cents. Step 3, add the dollar and the cents, or combine them. Therefore, $4.75 will give us $4.75. Kating bought a book and a paper envelope. How much did both items cost all together? Since we want to know the total amount of the things that she bought, what operation are we going to use? We need to add. $6.70 plus 80 cents will give us, let us see. Remember to make whole dollars. Therefore, what will we add to 70 cents so we can get $1? We need to add 30 cents. So $6.70 will give us $7. Now, since we have already taken 30 cents from 80 cents, what will be left? We will have 50 cents. Therefore, $7 plus 50 cents will give us $7.50. Therefore, both items cost $7.50. We can also add in another way. Let us use the number bonds of $6.70. We want to make $1. Therefore, how many more do we need to make $1? We need to have 20 cents more. Therefore, what is the number that when we add to 20 cents will give us $6.70? We will get $6.50. Therefore, we already know that 20 cents and 80 cents will give us $1. $6.50 and $1 will give us the same answer, which is $7.50. Therefore, both items cost $7.50 all together. We have here a box of cereals and a can of cream cheese. How much do both items cost all together? To be able to find out, we can also use our dollar and cents table. Keep in mind that adding dollars and cents is like adding whole numbers. $9.65 plus $16.25 will give us. Let us use our dollar and cents table. Remember that they should go in the proper column. We have $9.65. We also have $16.25. Remember that we are going to add since we want to know the amount of both items. Let's start here. 5 and 5 will give us 10. So we need to regroup. 1 plus 6 plus 2 will give us 9. Don't forget the decimal point or the dot. 9 plus 6 will give us 15. And we need to regroup and we'll get 2. Therefore, it's $25.90. Therefore, both items cost $25.90. How much do both items cost altogether? Remember that the chocolate bar is $16.25, while the cake is $29.95. To be able to find the total, we need to add. Let us use our dollars and cents table. 5 and 5 will give us 10. Then we need to regroup. 9 and 2 will give us 11, and we have one more. Therefore, we get 12. So we need to regroup again. 1 plus 6 plus 9 will give us 16. Then we need to regroup again. And it will give us 4. Therefore, $16.25 plus $29.95 is $46.20. So how much do both items cost altogether? Both items cost $46.20. Let us make whole dollars, then add. How many more cents do we need to make $1? We know that we need 45 cents to be able to make $1. Therefore, we'll take from here 45 cents. Keep in mind that we already got $1. So what is the number that when you add to 45 cents will give you $27.85? We will get $27.40. Therefore, to be able to get the answer, we need to add $1 to $27.40, and we will get $28.40. What have we learned so far? We have learned how to add money in dollars and in cents using different strategies. Thanks everyone for learning with Mentari Tutor video.